Ginger and honey lemon are both great choices when it comes to treating cough. However, it is important with both to make sure you don't get your dosages too high. If you take in too much ginger, you might worsen your cough or upset your stomach. Too much honey, on the other hand, can cause a big insulin response, so you want to limit yourself to 2 teaspoons at a time if you want to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Now, if you want to all in on your cough, why not combine the 3 ingredients? That way, you can break up mucus, soothe your throat, and get your body's anti-inflammatory capabilities firing. The 3 are used in various combinations in many recipes, so you may enjoy the final result.